Wow! Compliment of the season, everyone. Yeah, this is the time of gifting. We buy a lot of things for our parents, buy a bag of rice, yam, all those things. But unfortunately, you need to understand that the system is no longer as strong as it used to be. So all those things we're going to give them this time might as well become a big problem for them. Alright? So, but I have your back, okay? Because all you need to do is ensure that you add this beautiful gift to whatever you're giving them. This is called Restorlyf. It is a pack of resveratrol that helps to reverse all these age-related issues. They don't have to be 60 and they're already looking 90. No, that's a big error. Okay? They don't have to come down with arthritis. They don't have to come down with diabetes just because they just finished celebrating Christmas. No. Please and please ensure that you accompany whatever gift you are giving to them with this beautiful all natural food supplement, okay, that is coming all the way from Nature's Way USA to give them that longevity, okay, that we all want. We all want our parents to look long, to have a long enough life to enjoy their sweat, okay. So please ensure that you add this up to their gift for this Christmas, so that this Christmas will be a Christmas like no other. Alright, now all you're going to do is, okay, just get back to whoever that gave you this video, okay, so you can grab your own pack. Alright, give them that beautiful special gift this special time or this special period. Thank you. Bye.